Now, student, you have studied that what are the importance of small industries in rural India, and it is not only importance for the rural India but as well as the whole country is small business is very much important. But the small business are facing some problems also. These industries are facing some problems, and the problems for small business are: first is shortage of finance. Shortage of finance, you know that you all know that small business is started by low capital investment, and it is started by the single person, but sometimes that particular person is not having sufficient funds to run the business. So because of that, the small business is suffering from the problem of shortage of finance, and for that he has to approach the financial organization or the company for getting finance for the business purposes. But these companies are failed to give them loans because of the absence of collateral. They are not having any property to mortgage against for that loan, और इस वजह से उनको, and because of the credit worthiness also, these companies are not giving them loans to the small businesses, and sometimes small business are not able to collect sufficient finance for them. And for that they has to approach the money lenders as and other traders for arranging the finance, और इस तरह से उनके साथ exploitation भी होता है. And these small business firms are suffering from the shortage of finance, क्योंकि उनके पास इतना ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं होता कि वो अपने बिजनेस में ज़्यादा और पैसा इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सके. इवन दे डोंट हैव दैट मच ऑफ फंड्स टू स्टार्ट द पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस, और इनको प्रॉपरली फाइनेंस भी अरेंज नहीं हो पाता है. तो दीज बिजनेस, दिस इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज, दैट दे आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम द शॉर्टेज ऑफ फाइनेंस. नेक्स्ट इज द शॉर्टेज ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल. These industries are not only suffering from the shortage of finance but also facing shortage of raw material also, because they are not having that much of funds, that much of money to purchase the raw material, and they are not getting good quality raw material because of the absence of finance. And even sometimes they are purchasing the raw material that will be available in them the high cost, and because of that they are unable to arrange sufficient raw material for running the industries. So this is the problem of small scale industries, that they are suffering from the shortage of raw material. With a limited raw material, they are producing goods, and for the production of more goods, they required raw material which they are not able to collect, or they are not able to arrange, because finance is the one of the problem is there, and they are not getting timely supply of raw material in the particular place. And also if they are purchasing from other sources or other areas, other markets, so it will be costly for them to purchase the raw material. So this is why the small businesses are facing the shortage of raw material. Next problem is the lack of managerial skill. Lack of managerial skill, you know that these small businesses are run by the single person, that is the entrepreneur himself will be start the business without the help of other persons, and because of that he is suffering from the lack managerial skill, because the particular person is not efficient in doing the management work, and he is not specialized one for handling the decisions or taking the decision in the businesses. And also because of lack of funds, lack of finance, he is not able to arrange, he is not able to appoint some other person for managing his business. और इस तरह से मैनेजरियल स्किल जो की कमी की वजह से ये एक भी बड़ा बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम है, जिसकी वजह से स्मॉल बिजनेस ज़्यादा आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हैं, ज़्यादा उसमें प्रोग्रेस नहीं हो पा रही है, बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग लिमिटेड मैनेजरियल एबिलिटी. उनके पास जितना नॉलेज है उसी हिसाब से वो अपने बिजनेस को रन करते हैं. दे आर नॉट टेकिंग एक्सपर्ट एडवाइसेस, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एबल to pay them, they are not able to pay the remuneration to the specialized person for managing the affairs of the company or for the management work. So this is the problem of the small business, that they are suffering from the managerial skills. They are not having enough managerial skill as the business required. With a limited managerial skill, they are running their business. Next is incompetent labor. Incompetent labor, you know that these small businesses are running with the unskilled labor. Illiterate persons are there, those who are working in these organizations as a labor, and they are incompetent. They are not able to face the competition with other industries, with large scale industries or with other companies, etc., because they don't know the new technology. They are not using modern technology, because of the problem of finance, and even they are not educated one, they are not skilled one. And sometimes the small business firms are not keeping skilled staff, efficient staff, because they have to pay more remuneration to them, and they are not having that much of money to hire the person, those who are skilled, those who are efficient. एंड उसकी वजह से भी स्मॉल बिजनेस को ये प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ रही है कि स्मॉल बिजनेस में द स्टाफ इज इनकॉम्पिटेंट, द लेबर इज वर्किंग एज विदाउट एनी competency, without any competition, and they are producing the goods just like they are working, and they're not having any efficiency, they're not having any competency in their mind. Next is marketing problem. Small business is also facing marketing problems also, because they are not easily accessible to the market areas. They don't know the demand of the products. Even the products demand is not high because they are not having proper marketing channels. Even they are not able to advertise their products. वो उनके पास इतना पैसा भी नहीं था कि अपने प्रोडक्ट की एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर सके, अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में लोगों को अवेयर कर सकें, बिकॉज the market is very far from these places, and sometimes there was no good market is there, so that the small business is facing the marketing problems also, that they are not able to do the heavy investment on advertisement, and also they are not having the demand of the products. So because of that they are producing the goods with low demand, and also they are not doing innovation in their businesses, because they don't know the trend, in the modern trend which is available, which is prevalent in the economy. So उसकी वजह से भी जो है ये बिजनेस को प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ रही है, कि उनके पास कई तरह की मार्केटिंग प्रॉब्लम्स आती है. दे आर नॉट हैविंग प्रॉपर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल्स, because they are not efficient in selling their products timely or producing according to the demand of the product. Next is low quality product. These small scale businesses are producing the goods which are of low quality, because they are not using modern technology, which is updated one. They are not doing innovation in the product. They are just continuously doing the producing the goods as it is, without any innovation, without any requirement of the economy, without thinking about the demand of the customers. So the product they are producing is of low quality, because it is produced by the unskilled labor, which is those who are inefficient, and without using any technology, without using any machinery, they are producing goods. So इस तरह के businesses में जो भी product produce होता है वो बहुत ही low quality का होता है, and it is also having low demand. Next is idle capacity. The product in the small scale business is of low quality, and low demand was there. There was not having the sufficient demand of the product of in these industries, and because of that whatever resources they are having, they are remain idle. They are not able to use all the resources in the industry, because they are not having that much of demand of their product, and most of the resources are idle only. They are not utilizing it. बहुत सारी चीज़ें बहुत सारे जो बिजनेस में रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं वो यूज़ ही नहीं हो पाते, क्योंकि उनके गुड्स की इतनी ज़्यादा डिमांड नहीं होती कि उनको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन नहीं करना पड़ता है. स्मॉल बिजनेस में दे आर प्रोड्यूसिंग द गुड्स बिकॉज द कस्टमर्स आर ऑल्सो लिमिटेड, द डिमांड इज ऑफ द गुड्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी लिमिटेड. सो जितना रिसोर्सेज उनके पास अवेलेबल है वो रिसोर्सेज भी उनका पूरा यूज़ नहीं हो पाता है. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज विल रिमेन आइडल इज देयर, and the capacity they are using is also, they are having idle capacity which will not be used in the business. Outdated technology. Small business are doing work without using any technology, without any updated technology, and sometimes they are using the technology which is old one, which is outdated. They are not using the updated technology, they are not using modern technology, they are not thinking, they are not learning new innovations, new ideas in the business, because of lack of funds, lack of time, एंड ऑल्सो लैक ऑफ मैनेजरल एबिलिटी. इन सब चीज़ों की वजह से जो है वो स्मॉल बिजनेस को कई तरह की प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ रही है. उनकी पास जो टेक्नोलॉजी है वो भी बहुत आउटडेटेड है, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट रेडी टू यूज द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, दे आर नॉट अडॉप्टिंग न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी. इट इज अ कॉस्टली वन, और आइदर दे आर बिकमिंग फेयर ऑफ द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, बिकॉज दे डोंट नो हाउ टू ऑपरेट इट, एंड दे डोंट वांट टू लर्न ऑल्सो. So in the small businesses, they are using the outdated technology. Next is the sickness. These industrial units are having sicknesses because of their internal affairs. They are having mutual conflicts between them, and their internal matters are also not solved properly. Like they are having inefficient technology, inefficient labor, and also lack of managerial skills and lack of managerial ability. They will not using their resources properly, and because of that they are having the sickness in their organization only. There internally there are sicknesses there, and they are having not understanding the use of the resources available in the economy, and the small businesses are facing these sicknesses because of the limited abilities, their managerial ability. जो person, that person who is the owner of the company, they are taking the decisions, and they sometimes he is not the updated one. वो इतना knowledgeable नहीं होता कि वो अपने business को किस तरह से run करना है, किस तरह से उसको operate करना है, ये सब चीज़ें उसको नहीं आ पाती हैं. And sometimes these businesses are also having the sickness of timely payments, lack of raw material, and also low remuneration will be there, and also the absence of capital. पैसे की कमी की वजह से भी उनको बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं हो पाती है इस बिजनेस में. ना तो वो प्रॉपरली रॉ मटेरियल खरीद पाते हैं, ना बिजनेस को एक्सपैंड कर पाते हैं, और आइदर दे आर नॉट एबल टू यूज द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी ऑल्सो. सो दे आर हैविंग सिकनेसेस, दे आर फीलिंग सिकनेस इन small businesses. Next is global competition. Global competition, small businesses are, this is the biggest problem of small business after the introduction of new economic policy. That is when the LPG came, liberalization, privatization and globalization. So after globalization, the multinational companies starts establishing in our country, and even the foreign companies are there, and we are having trading relation with other countries also. And because of that, our small scale industries have to face the competition with medium industries, large scale industries and MNCs also. So global competition has to face the small business, that is competition with medium and large industries of MNCs. They are not able, they are not efficient to face the competition with these industries. और उनके जो products होते हैं और इनके products में काफ़ी differences होता है. The product of the small business are of low quality, which will not be competent enough to face the competition with the product of other companies, and also unable to withstand quality standards. Small business are not able to stand quality standards, नहीं हो पाते उनके because of lack of technology, lack of advertisement etc. तो वो क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं प्रोड्यूस कर पाते क्योंकि भाई पैसा भी नहीं है, पैसे की कम पैसे से बिजनेस को स्टार्ट करते हैं. लिमिटेड एक्सेस टू मार्केट and of developed countries due to the absence of ISO 9000. These small scale businesses has limited access to market of developed countries, means they are not able to face the competition with other countries. दूसरी countries के साथ जो MNCs हमारे आई हैं दूसरी foreign countries की, उनसे हम ये small industries जो है competition नहीं कर पाती हैं because they are not having a standardized one, their goods were not standardized one. They are have lack of standards because of the absence of ISO 9000. They are not having any proper Indian standards certificate. कोई ऐसा ISO का सर्टिफिकेट नहीं होता है उनके पास में, क्योंकि ये सारी चीज़ें लेने के लिए उनके पास काफ़ी फॉर्मेलिटीज़ करनी पड़ती हैं, पैसा एक्सपेंडिचर करना पड़ता है, जो दैट स्मॉल बिजनेस फर्म्स आर नॉट एबल टू डू. So because of that, in the absence of any standard certificate, standardized certificate of ISO 9000 or like that, so they are not able to have the competition with these companies, these MNCs or the other countries. So they are not easily accessible to market of developed countries. जो small scale industries में जो products produce होते हैं वो foreign countries के market तक पहुंच ही नहीं पाते, क्योंकि वहां तक उनकी products की ना तो कोई demand होती है और ना उनको पहुंचने के लिए उनके पास कोई medium होता है. So because of that, these problems are faced by our small scale industries. Small scale industries जितनी ज़्यादा बनी हो स्टार्ट होंगी उतना ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन होगा, उतना ज़्यादा एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन होगा और डेवलपमेंट भी होगा. बट उसके साथ साथ दीज इंडस्ट्रीज आर हैविंग फेसिंग सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स. अभी उनको प्रॉब्लम फाइनेंस की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, शॉर्टेज ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल है, मैनेजर स्किल्स की कमी है, लेबर्स आर वेरी इनएफिशिएंट एंड इनकॉम्पिटेंट एंड ऑल्सो दे आर इलिटरेट ऑल्सो. So because of there so many problems arise in a small business, if we want to start more and more small enterprises and successful enterprises, so we have to solve first these problems of the small scale businessmen, small scale traders. Then only we can think of running small scale business properly.